What's up? Welcome back. It's Wednesday, so we're gonna calzonalize this waffle iron or waffleize these calzones. Anyway, this is just some basically biscuit dough. If you haven't seen my calzone video, I'll put a link over here towards the end of that. Rolled that out really thin, cut it up about the size of these waffle squares, you know, just like we do every week. Put those on that and throw a little mozzarella cheese on there. A little extra because cheese. And then throw some pepperonis on there. And then we'll just close this thing up. Right. And there you have it right there. Just plate that up with some dipping sauce and dig in.